Cooking Hour. As you can see, our party platter is complete. We have some wonderfully cooked jerk chicken wings. We have some fried, crisp sweet potato chips. We have our rolls for our sliders, and we also have our sliders, our actual slider patties over here. Again, remember, before you guys get into the kitchen, make sure that you guys have your parents' permission to be in the kitchen. The kitchen is a very dangerous place, and we want to make sure that you guys are operating with all the safety in mind that we discussed in this video when you guys are preparing party primer similar to this. For our sliders, we have our burgers, we have some sauteed onions, ketchup, and relish, and that concludes my part of this. We'll go to Chef Johnson, and we'll see you guys later.
Hey, good afternoon and welcome back. Well, Chef Chris, looks like we did it. We talked about doing this video for our students so they have an opportunity while they're at home to watch us cook, maybe give them an idea. They can help work with their parents more. And like Chef Chris said, we did some jerk chicken wings. We did some burgers, some we call black and blue burgers, with some nice cedar rolls, relish, ketchup, and some sauteed onions and some tomatoes. This is the best part of any cooking show is when we get a chance to eat, Chef.
Absolutely.
So when we dig in, so they can see if we like what we cook.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Go grab a plate.
Yeah, help yourself, man. Excuse my fingers, they clean.
Chef Johnson, can you have me a spoonful over there, please?
Sure.
Spoon? Yes, sir. Thank you.
There you go. And we got the spatula. I can't wait to get one of these burgers.
I know, right? Put a little ketchup on there.
Slide.
Sir. Getting our delicious black and blue sliders right here. We get some wings.
See, cooking is supposed to be fun. And, you know, this is our first video of hopefully many more to come from an education standpoint. When you learn how to do things like this, it should be fun. You just have to be safe while you're doing it. And I'm just going to put a few condiments on my top of my roll. A little relish since I'm home. Sauteed onions. All right, Chef, dig in.
Bon appetit. First bite.
Mmm. That burger is banging.
It's banging. Seasons came together perfectly. Meat perfectly cooked. Cooked to a medium well done. Really taste the onions in there, not overpowering. Man, those seasons came right on through. Let's see what these chips talking about.
I'm going to see what's up with this chicken.
Okay.
Mmm.
Chips good.
It's yummy. A little jerk. Probably could put a little bit more heat on, but that's okay.
That's a good wing though. That's a good one.
Well, coming to you from Cambridge, Chef Cecil, Chef Chris.
See you guys later. Enjoy.
Stay healthy.